Hello. Today we're going to see the fourth lecture, which we're going to see NetBeans, how to create a project using NetBeans, how to create project, then how to create package, then how to create Java classes, Java main class to run and write our programs to run to write and run a program. So when you start from the creating, therefore when you start from creating a project, just go to file, then new project. Now we are creating using Java standard editions, Java FX, Java Web Enterprise. That are what we call web application and enterprise editions, micro editions. These are the Java edition part that we have discussed in the previous case. And the NetBeans support many programming language. As you can see, you can write PHP here using Java, you can write C++. So this is very integrated programming that can be used. For our case now, we are going to use Java, then Java application, then make it next. Now here we will provide the project name. For now, let me say it sample. We'll say it sample. Then the project location is here. By default, it is placed. I will not change it. The project folder here is placed. Now what is my aim? Only creating a project. So if you are going to create by the default recommendations, the main class is generated within it. But for our case, we do not need to create the main class regarding the created project, and we disable this, select this, tick, and make it untick. Now I'm going to make it finish. I will make it finish. So when it's going to be created, sample project, then when I extend the source package with a plus sign, what will be there inside? Default package is there. When I'm going to extend the libraries, what will be exist there? The JDK 1.8 default is there. So what is our next step? Our next step is to creating a package. We are going to create a package. So what we're going to create a package? We'll come back to NetBeans, then right click on the project name, sample, right click, then go to new, then next we'll go to package. We'll go to Java package. We'll click here. We're going to provide the package name. Now suppose here, let me say it chapter 1, then topic, chapter 1 topic, or let me say it is overview, chapter 1 overview, because in Java programming the first chapter is overview of Java programming. Then the project name is sample, the location is some source package, then the folder is created in the project sample in the source. So I'll make it finish. Now the previously default package now change it to chapter 1 overview. Then what we're going to do, suppose any programming started from writing or displaying welcome to hello world. Now what we'll go, writes a Java program Java program that displays hello Java. Can say it, which is commonly obvious. Hello, hello world, hello world. So this is a string message will be displayed. So what we're going to undertake? We have to going to create this one in Java main class. We are going to create a Java main class. What we'll do here in our package. What is our package now, right now? Chapter 1 overview. In our package, what we'll do? Right click, then new, go to Java main class. In case if you are using the first installed NetBeans on your computer, you will not going to find Java main class here. At that time, what you will do? You have to go to other, click on other, then go to Java. In the right side, there is any what we call is file types. From that side, what will go to find? You have to find the Java main class and select it. Then just make it next. Here, what you have to do? You have to make it write the class name. Suppose the class name is hello world. The class name is hello world. The project name is sample. The location is source package. The package name is chapter 1 overall. After finish, make it finish. Then finish here. Now here, the working area, the workspace is already created here. Then I'm going to remove all the comments because to minimize the number of line of code, for now, let me remove all the comments, the both multi-line and the single line comment. Then I'll make it to justify our line of code text is in the workspace. Just make it right click, then make it format. Here it is arranged for you. The spaces are arranged. So what is the question to be done here? Write a Java program that display hello world. Now here, what do you do? We are going to use in Java to display the message. As our output, we have to use system.out.print line. Then system S it should be capital. System dot out dot print. Then if you want to display the next coming in the new line, we can add ln. Then bracket, double quotations. Then we have to make it hello world. Hello world. We have to write hello world here. Then we make it save. Then in order to run it, what we will do? If it is a single program throughout our case, we can run from this in the RAM project here. If you are making, since it is one project, you can make it select the class you want to run. Chapter 1 overview package, then the class name is hello world. Then you have to make it okay. Automatically the output is going to be displayed here in the console. Hello world is displayed here. So every line of code in Java, the first line of code always is package. Then after that, if there is any kind of imported package, they are inserted next to it. These are all the parts that can be used for our case. So when you come to our questions, the questions is write a Java program that complete area of circle by accepting an input from the user. So we are going to write this one. When we are going to write this, we have to follow the same procedure. Now come to the package, right click on the package chapter 1 overview, right click, go to new Java main class here. Then what will be there? Circle area, the class name. Always we have to make a proper and appropriate class names. What is recommended to provide a class name is always start class name with uppercase. Though if they are using two words, don't keep any space in between. You can use either underscore in between of the two words. Now here I'm just concatenating the words here. Here circle area now. Then I'm going to make it finish. I'm going to make it finish. Here I'm going to find this one. I'm going to remove all the comments the same way. I'm going to remove the comments here. Now right click and the format. Now it is I'm going to find this. Then what I'll do? I have to do it. I have to declare the radius, area, and the pi here. What I will do? Double the data type. I'm just using as a double radius, then area. Then what is there? Static for double, then pi, which is equals to 3.14, because it is, this is what we call it, final static. Final static. Either you can remove this one. We are going to create this some final double pi. Then this is a constant. But what is the next one? We are going to declare. We have to declare this one. Which one? To accepting an input from the user. Then what we will do here? You have to declare the built-in objects scanners. Then what? The scanner object is equals to new. Then scanner in bracket system dot in, because system dot in helps to be accept an input from the user. At that time, the scanner, have you seen it? The scanner is taken as unknown. What you have to do? Then we have to see the here the ample. On that part we have to click it. Then what we have to do? Add import for java.util.scanner. When imported, automatically the import class is added at this point. Then what we will do? We have to make system dot out dot print then in quotation enter radius is directly entered here. Then what we will do? Radius is equals to inputs dot next double to accept and load on the radius. What the next what we will do? We have to compute the area. Area is equals to pi times radius times again radius, because area is equals to pi r square. The final case what you have to do it? System, you have to make it system. Then here in the quotation area is, then we have to concatenate it here. Area. Now it is already, the code looks like this one. Then finally we'll have what we'll do? You have to make it run. Then right click on the workspace, then run it. When you run it, automatically in the console part you will find enter radius. Suppose let me enter 5, automatically the area is displayed here. Such kind of case is what we call it. How you are going to call any Java code and how you're going to compile and run the Java program. This is all about for today. Next we're going to see this program by using command line. Thank you for your following me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. See you next time.